Welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Fireflies AI account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Fireflies AI account to your Google Drive? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Fireflies to your Google Drive anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that if you can automate certain processes, it's going to save you a little bit of time, which can add up to a lot of time over the year. And by linking your Google Drive to your Fireflies, you can automatically save your meetings into a specific Google Drive folder to share with your team. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Fireflies AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Fireflies AI account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and link or connect your Google Drive to Fireflies AI, you're going to click on this integrations button here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see the Google Drive logo, or you can click here in the search bar and just type in Drive, and it should pop up right there. Once you do that, you're going to click on this purple connect button. They also give you a little bit of information about connecting your Google Drive to Fireflies AI. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click on this button here, authorize this connector. Okay, next, Google's going to open up a browser, so you need to choose which Google Drive you're going to share with your Fireflies AI. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, next, Google Drive lets you know that they're going to share this information about your account. If you're okay with that, click on continue. Okay, next, the page refreshes back into Fireflies AI, and you need to click on this blue continue button. Okay, next, you want to go ahead and choose the processes that you're allowing Google Drive to work with your Fireflies AI. So save meeting, transcript, save meeting recording, and save meeting summary. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and leave all those on, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, next, to complete this process, click on save to complete your setup. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that it is enabled right here in green. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Drive to your Fireflies AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.